Hello viewers and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. My name is Christos, the owner of the home of beautiful cars, and may I say the home of the exclusive and rare. This is a magnificent Ferrari, Australian delivered 1988, 3.2 litre Quattro valve Mondial. That's the one we want. We want the 3.2 litre last and best of the series. This car has got incredible provenance. With all documentation, service history, still presents as new, looks and drives like new. World-class example. Only at the home of beautiful cars, the most beautiful Ferrari Mondial in collector grade, world-class condition. Absolutely stunning. Only at the home of beautiful cars, Australia-wide delivery, finance arranged, magnificent.